Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our Spotify account. So for that you need to open up your browser, and yes, it cannot be done on the Spotify app, so we need to open up the browser. Just open up the browser and search for Spotify, then open up the very first link that you will see, and here just log into your account of Spotify. And after logging into your account, just click on the settings on top right corner, and there you will be able to find this option of a view account. Just click on it, and then you will be able to see three lines on the top right corner. Just click on it and then go to the support, and there click on account help and select the option of account settings there, and then click on closing your account option. Then click on close your account and proceed with the further procedures over there. Then an email will be sent to your email ID which is associated with your account. Just confirm that you want to delete your account, and then you will be able to delete your account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.